Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Samsung Members app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, so you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. You come to next zip here, it's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on notifications here, just click on it. You come to next zip here, it's going to show for you like this. Click on notification categories. You come to next zip here, come here to casting or recording started here. Just click in this sign. Like you see color show for us, that's mean here casting or recording started. Notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.